I love to go for a walk to the waterfall. Stop here, everyone. Look ahead. What do we see blocking our path to the waterfall?
It's a huge pile of branches. We can't get to the waterfall. They are blocking our way.
They look like giant fingers reaching out. It's a little bit scary, Miss Grace.
It's okay to feel a little scared, Vivi. But don't be. They are only branches of a tree. Oh, and branches starts with our letter of the day. The letter B. B is for branches. To move these branches, we are going to need a lot of bravery.
Oh, Miss Grace, you used another B word, bravery. B is for bravery.
B is for bravery. Say B, ba, bravery.
Hey, while we wait for the park rangers, let's practice our B sounds. B is for ball. B, ball. Say it with me. B, ball. Again. B, ball. Great. Now let's try bear. B is for bear. B, bear. Your turn. Say, B is for bear. Again. B, bear.
And don't forget our big word today. It is bravery. Let's say it 3 times. B is for bravery. Bravery. B is for bravery.
Being brave means doing what is right even when we are a little afraid, like a very famous boy in the Bible named David.
Very good, Vivi. Because I can't get through to the park rangers, we are going to be like David. Let's be brave to face and move these branches. Long, long ago, a giant named Goliath was mocking God and his people, making everyone shake with fear. But a young shepherd boy named David was different. He had bravery because he trusted God.
So he took up the challenge to face Goliath. Then King Saul offered David heavy metal armor to wear for protection. But David refused the armor. It was too big and heavy. Before, David had to guard his sheep against lions and bears. David knew God was all the protection he needed.
Instead, David went to a stream to find his tools, 5 smooth stones for his sling. Let's count the smooth stones he found together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 smooth stones for one big giant.
David walked right up to Goliath, the big giant. Goliath had a big sword and heavy armor, but little David had bravery and God on his side. With 1 stone and a lot of trust, David defeated the giant and saved God's people. He showed us that God is bigger than any giant.
Just like David, we can be brave. Everyone, put on your gloves. We must face and move these branches. Grab a branch. We are going to pull them away together.
I'm ready. On the count of 3, everyone help us pull. 1, 2, 3.
Pull! Again! Pull! One more time! Pull!
We did it. We used our bravery and worked together.
And we learned that B is for ball, B is for bear, B is for branches, and B is for bravery. Yeah.
You were all so brave today. We'll see you next time for the letter C.
At KiddyU, we fly high to learn.